Prawn Sinigang la from the simplest of ingredients, and not to mention the freshest from a garden. You're watching Channel Juan, and this is the Pinoy food series. Let's join Dremelo at his small kitchen. Good evening, welcome to Channel Juan Home and Gardens. I'm cooking today my favorite ulam, really, my favorite ulam. And in every episode we try our best to include our homegrown product or homegrown crop or may it be a ginger or garlic. It's homegrown because it's home gardening. Now, this is what I'm going to cook. Look at that, really, I would die for this. Kasalanan ni Antomada ito because she did mukbang during her birthday of crabs or everything that turns red when cooked are my favorite. Lobster and this. So, we know that this food, alam natin na ang pinakamasarap. We know that the tastiest part of the prawn is the head. The taba-taba there, the fat, etc. It's high in calorie. So, if you go to a chic restaurant, to a posh restaurant, they would grill this. So it dries the fat. Some cook this in sauce or in cream, and that enhances the fat here better in the head. But I want to cook this, I want to enjoy, or I want to maximize my enjoyment of the fat by infusing the soup with its fat, and the fat marries well with sour. So I'm cooking with that long intro. I'm cooking sinigang. I'm just too passionate about this recipe because I've waited very long to cook this, and finally I'm able to cook this. I'm really happy. So let's start. This is Channel Juan. Red and blue are our motif. Even the flame here in Channel Juan is blue. Don't take me seriously. By the way, this is not a tutorial channel. This is entertainment and cooking and garden. We show the world that it's easy to garden and cook. And of course, we also share some know-hows in cooking. I hope you've been picking up some know-hows. And as I've said earlier, this is a garden and kitchen channel, so we use a special crop today. We need veggies for this, and guess what? It's winter time here in Holland. It's not time for camote. That's why I brought in my camote inside, and let's harvest. Call me crazy, but this is a show. Yeah, that flaps in. Yeah. So, this is indeed a true to goodness kitchen and garden. I brought the garden in the kitchen. Where's my scissors? Okay. So while our water there boils, or while waiting for the water to boil, let's harvest. Oh, let's start from there. For our cinematography, let's start from the plant closest to the camera. By the way, to our gardeners there, I'm pruning my camote so that they will produce more shoots, so more leaves to come in the future, and more ingredient, and more. Okay, someone is calling. Oh, this is Misty, someone who ordered hopia. Hello, Misty. Hello, Misty. O sige, gets sandali gets ko. Just run that ludo, don't turn it off. Yeah. See, as I've told you, my channel has become a pastry bakery. See you later. I'll just give this downstairs, yeah?
Don't forget the keys.
Yes, thank you, Yaya. Here, Catastrophe. This is a very easy recipe. We don't have to slice the ingredients finely. We just have to add them into boiling water. To have the boiling water infuse or get infused with the flavors of our ingredients. This is a bit dried, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, and let's just smash it. Let's just crush this, and there. I'm still gasping with excitement. Another tomato. See, as rough as possible, and into the boiling water. See how easy that can be. And let's continue harvesting. This is a very meager amount, but this is precious. Imagine the labor and the love involved in growing these crops. We'll just have to let this boil for perhaps around 7 to 10 minutes to get all the goodness from the ingredients. It's nothing different from cooking sinigang na isda. Yeah? But this is more delicious because it's prawn. I might as well add salt now. Today, I don't know why, but I'm tired. I made hopia for my supporters, not for the video. And I'm also shooting, I was also shooting before this, pastéis ginata, the crunchy leche flan, but the dough had to be refrigerated. Kaya abangan ang ating upload crunchy leche flan. Meron din tayong siopaw or leche pao, which is a variation of our leche flan. It's a Chinese variation. I know my cameraman here is tired. He's a bit irritated now because he also has tasks for himself. But we're about to finish, cameraman. I'm adding the pang-asim now. It's the tamarind mix. Yeah, that's good. And cameraman, do you think this is sufficient soup for this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Okay. So we add the prawns now. And I'm really happy today. I don't know why, because finally I have this prawn. This is heaven on earth. Look at that. This is heaven on earth. We'll add the this one, the camote tops now, or yeah, this one I think. Just a bit of soy sauce. Soy sauce, no, fish sauce. Just a bit. No, enough. Now, the first time ever, I'm gonna show the world. Gagamit ako ng bawal na gamot. Bitchin. And the camote tops now. The camote. Precious camote tops from my very own garden. Just cover. Really happy. I'm really happy. This deserves a mukbang. See you later. Oh, this is really delicious. Look at that. Sabaw pa lang, ulam na. This is what I meant. The soup is infused with the goodness of the prawn head. Goodbye na. Thank you for joining me here today, here on Channel Juan. Your Kuya and Uncle here in Holland. Remember now, if you enjoyed what you just watched, don't forget to share and subscribe. Until next time, Dios Pati.